Greetings to everyone watching this video. And today we are going to learn about how to greet in German, which is not really difficult, okay? But the first thing that I want you to know is that in German, we have formal way of talking and the informal way of talking, okay? So when I say formal way of talking, what's the meaning? Formal way can be unfamiliar adults, okay? And it can be business situations, it can be with officials, or when shopping, okay? And the informal is mostly your friends, okay? Your friends, or yeah, mostly your friends. So in German, we have formal way of talking and we have the informal way, okay? So we have two ways of greeting. And good morning in German is going to be Guten Morgen. And good afternoon is going to be Guten Tag. And good evening is going to be Guten Abend. Okay. So these are the formal ways of greeting. And Guten Morgen will be from 6 o'clock, right? 6 Uhr. So I'm going to write that in German. So 6 Uhr till 11 o'clock, which is 11 Uhr. And Guten Tag is going to be from 11 o'clock, which is 11 Uhr to 6 o'clock in the evening. Achtzehn Uhr. And Guten Abend is going to be from 18 Uhr going. Okay, so that means that from 6 o'clock going is going to be Guten Abend in German. So these are the formal ways to greet someone in German. And let's check the informal. The informal, we are just going to use hello or hi. Okay. So when you want to say that maybe good morning, Mr. Felix, let's check here. Here means that Mr. And Frau means that Lex. And Frau can also be a woman, or a wife. Okay. So let's pick two names here. Let's pick Felix and let's pick Angela. And you want to say that good morning, Mr. Felix. So we are going to say good morning. You bring your comment. So here, Felix. And you want to say that good morning, good afternoon, Miss Angela. Guten Tag, Miss Angela. Okay. And when you want to say good evening, where is the time? Okay. And now you want to say good evening, right? So that one is going to be Guten Abend. Bring your comment. So Guten Abend, Frau Angela. Okay. But in case the person is your friend or someone that you are really close to, then you can just say that hello. Okay, so hello Felix. All right. Hello Felix or hello Angela. Okay. So these are the ways to greet in German. Okay. So we started by checking whether it is formal or informal. Okay. And in case it is formal, formal is you have to use the good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And formal situations will include business partners, people that are older than you, going for shopping and so on. and the informal is going to be your friends. Okay. So in case you want to talk in the formal way, then you can say that you can use the Guten Morgen, use the Guten Tag and Guten Abend. And in case you want to talk in the informal way, then you can use the hello here, right? So we have the hello here and the Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, and Guten Abend. And the hair is Mr. and the Frau is Miss. Okay. So you can say that Guten Morgen, Herr Felix. That means that good morning, Herr Felix. And Guten Tag, Miss Angela. And Guten Abend, Frau Angela. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Okay. So that will be all for this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.